class. International news. Balendra Shah's Rashtriya Swatantra Party is set to form government in Nepal. Iran names Mojtaba Khamenei to succeed his slain father as supreme leader. Russian says international law effectively dead, calls for UNSC P5 summit. National news. President Draupadi Murmu says women can achieve excellence in every field when provided with opportunities and support. Jal Mahotsav 2026 began nationwide focus on women rainwater harvesting. Oil companies mandate 21-day gap between bookings for LPG refill due to ongoing war in Iran. State news. CM Chandrababu Naidu celebrates International Women's Day in Amaravati. Sports news. In ICC T20 World Cup, India defeats New Zealand to defend T20 World Cup title for the record third time. In badminton, Lakshya Sen denied historic All England title, goes down to Lichan in thrilling final. Thought of the day. Opportunities don't come to you, create them yourselves. Let us GK question. What is the capital city of Kuwait? I repeated. What is the capital city of Kuwait? Answer: Kuwait city.